You know, it's funny how something as simple as tightening your abdominal muscles can completely transform your workout. I mean, we all want to get the most out of our time at the gym, right? But so many people overlook this fundamental aspect. It's not just about lifting heavier weights or running faster, it's about engaging the core properly. So, let's break it down. First off, you need to understand what it means to engage your core. It's not just about sucking in your stomach or trying to look good in the mirror. It's about creating a solid foundation for your body. When you engage your abdominal muscles, you're stabilizing your spine, which is crucial for almost every exercise you do. Think about it. Whether you're squatting, deadlifting, or even doing push-ups, your core is the anchor that keeps everything in alignment. So, how do you do it? It starts with awareness. You have to be mindful of your body. Stand up straight, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, gently pull your belly button in towards your spine. It's like you're trying to create a little space between your ribs and your hips. You should feel your abs tighten, but it shouldn't be a struggle. It's a controlled, subtle engagement, not a full-on flex. Once you've got that down, practice it during your workouts. Before you lift that weight or start that set of crunches, take a moment to engage your core. It's like setting the stage for a performance. You wouldn't just walk on stage without preparing, right? You'd warm up, get in the zone. Your core deserves that same respect. And here's the kicker. When you engage your abs properly, you're not just protecting your back, you're also enhancing your strength. You'll find that you can lift more, run longer, and feel more stable in every movement. It's like flipping a switch. Suddenly, you're not just going through the motions, you're actually working those muscles, building strength, and improving your overall fitness. But let's not forget about breathing. It's easy to hold your breath when you're trying to tighten up, but that's a mistake. You need to breathe through the engagement. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, feel your core tighten. It's a rhythm, a dance between breath and muscle. So, the next time you hit the gym, remember this. It's not just about the reps or the sets. It's about how you engage your body. Tightening your abdominal muscles properly isn't just a technique. It's a game changer. It's the secret ingredient that can elevate your workouts from ordinary to extraordinary. Embrace it, practice it, and watch your strength soar.